Hey guys, this is Eric from 7th Circle Hobbies, and today I'm going to show you a quick 5-minute toxic barrel effect for your Nurgling bases, Death Guard, or even dungeon dressing, whatever you'd like to use it for. Come on, let's descend to the 7th Circle together. So again, I'm just going to start with the base coat of Eileen's tacky glue, a little bit of chipboard. Then I'm going to layer another piece on top, like this, to kind of give it a couple different levels. Then I found an old GW barrel that I'd actually cut in half for something else. I'm going to use it for this video, and it's a little hard to see from the top down, but you can see the barrel is slightly angled here, as I've shown you in other tutorials up to this point. So I've gone ahead and put the tacky glue and beads down at this step. If you want to see how I did this, you can watch the first part of the tutorial or my demonic bases tutorial. There are many different ways that you can make water effects and ooze and slime look like it's leaking from the barrel. But one of the cheapest and easiest methods I've found is to just take some tacky glue and some of your basic miniature modeling glue. I use Zap-A-Gap, and to mix the two together, and what it does is rapidly create a very slimy effect, harden almost instantly, so you really don't have too much play around time with it. Dab here or there will do you. This stuff really interacts in interesting ways. It kind of creates slimy trails. You can kind of see what it's already doing here. Don't have very long to work with, so I'm going to do a little at a time. Here, it looks pretty good. You might need to build it up in layers too. You know, just take your time, have fun with it till it looks right to you. You let this set overnight to start drying. It's not quite there yet, but if you look carefully, it's hard to tell on the camera here, but you can see where it's settling underneath. It looks like it's leaking from the barrel and starting to spill out from the front down into the pool, and also leaking off of this edge down the side of the base. Once that's painted up, it'll be really nice looking. It just has to dry a little bit more, and we'll get back to that. And remember, there's always room for one more soul in the 7th Circle.